So you want to know how a Polymarket referral code works? I'll tell you exactly how. You get a link, someone signs up through it, you both get maybe 10 or 20 bucks. That's it. That's the whole system. Now let me show you a referral bonus that actually moves the needle. $2,000, different platform, same idea, watch. This is Polymarket, one of the biggest prediction markets in the world. You bet on real stuff, elections, crypto, wars, sports, everything's fair and transparent. But the problem? To actually make money here, you need starting capital, and no referral code is going to give you a decent amount. So I went on YouTube, typed in the same search, check it yourself, tons of videos, tons of links. I opened the first one, the second, the third, and it's all the same crap. Some referral link that gives you a tiny commission discount or a couple bucks welcome bonus. Not a single person showed what I found later. One of my subscribers recommended this site, Delta Predict. Alright, I open it, clean interface, easy to understand, looks like Polymarket but with a different design. Scroll down, same markets, politics, crypto, sports, everything feels normal. Then I get to the registration form. Super simple, email, password, no bullshit. And right at the bottom, there's a promo code field. This is the key part. I enter the promo code right now, boom, $2,000 bonus pops up on the screen. Wait, you seen this? $2,000, not 20, not 200, $2,000 just for signing up with the promo code. I didn't believe it myself, so I kept the page open and kept checking. The only thing left is to do the verification. Standard KYC stuff. The only thing left ID, is to do the verification. Takes literally standard KYC stuff. Name, ID, selfie. I hit submit literally for review 2 minutes. And wait, I'll try to refresh the page. I hit submit for review. It's not completely straightforward. There's one condition you have to meet to unlock the bonus. Honestly, I was skeptical, like here we go again. Another scam that's gonna leave me with nothing. There's one condition you have to meet who showed me this is an old friend. Honestly, I was skeptical, like here we go again. Another scam that's gonna leave me with nothing. But the subscriber who showed me this is an old friend and it worked for him, so I said fuck it, I'll trust him. Now I just need to wait a little. Trust wallet. We go back to the website and refresh the page. Here I paste the wallet address, and here I enter the amount. Looks like everything went through. Now let's try to withdraw. Now I just need to wait a little. Go to the withdrawal section. We go back to the website, pick the network, the page, paste my trust wallet address. Looks like everything went through. Boom. Now let's try to withdraw from the app. Put in $2,100 and I go to the withdrawal section. Waiting. Pick the network, paste my trust wallet address. Transaction sent. Copied it straight from the app, put in $2,100 and hit withdraw. Need to wait a bit now. Waiting. Wow. Oh my god. The money came through. Holy shit, guys. I'm actually shocked. I didn't think this would work. Wallet. I went through the whole thing on camera. Need to wait from registration to withdrawal. No cuts, no editing tricks. Wow. I'm blown away. Oh my god. And if you are the money came through. Drop your reactions in the comments. Holy shit, guys. Good luck to everyone. Shocked.